Give me the stuff. What's that?
Me.
What's that?
Fork.
Fork. Thank you.
I want to do it.
Okay, give me the next one.
What is it?
This goes here.
Oh. What's this go?
Uh-oh.
What's this go?
That's a spoon. It goes here. Right here.
Oh. Okay. One more. Where did this go? Right.
Yeah, right there. Good girl.
Okay. Where did this go? Where did this go? Right here.
No, that's a little spoon. It goes over here.
That's a little spoon. One more.
Right here, babe.
Okay. I need to grab it. This one come out soon.
Can you shake it?
Shake it.
Man, it is good and stuck. What are you gonna do?
I'm taking it out. I'm taking this out hard. I don't take that out. I'm not taking it out. I wanna hold it. I see it.
You want to see the video?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you say, hi,
Hi.
I'm Hazel. Can you say, my name is Hazel?
No.
Okay. This is Hazel. She's 2 years and 5 months old. Love you.